Dear class, I welcome you again in grade 7. Class, today we are going to start our second session of our chapter number 10, that is life in deserts. So earlier we had studied in our first session that what is the intro part about deserts, and there are how many types of deserts. So there are two type of deserts, hot deserts and cold deserts. Dear class, I had earlier told many times that day by day cases are increases regarding the COVID-19. So always wear a mask, always maintain a social distancing, and always use a sanitizer. Why? Because these are the few instructions which can save you and your family. So I hope you all can follow these instructions. So now let's start with our chapter Life in Deserts regarding the second session. So let's move regarding the study of Ladakh. So I welcome you again in the Ladakh. So Ladakh is a high altitude desert which is located in Jammu and Kashmir in India. Ladakh lies in the western side of Jammu and Kashmir state, and it is bounded by the Karakoram mountains, which is range in the northern, and Zaskar mountains in the south. Many rivers flow through these cold deserts. So, the Indus River is the most important one. The largest town in the Ladakh is the Leh, and Leh is a very famous hill station. Ladakh is cold desert which is lying in the Great Himalayas and eastern side of the Jammu and Kashmir. Several rivers flow through Ladakh. So basically Indus being the most important among them. Several glaciers are also found in the Ladakh. So now if we can talk about the climate, that which type of climate is having a Ladakh. So due to its high altitude, the climate is extremely cold and dry. And if we can talk about air, the air at this altitude is so much thin that the heat of the sun can be felt intensely. If we can talk about the day temperature in summer are just above 0 degree, and night temperature well below 30 degrees C. So these all are some features about climate in Ladakh. Now let's move further about flora and fauna in Ladakh. So flora in Ladakh is a cold desert with rocky and uneven terrain. And if we can talk about fauna, it is surprising to find a considerable number of species in Ladakh. So, some of the common animals found here are yak, Tibetan, Nayan, Bharal, Uriel, and the lark is the largest animal which is found in the Ladakh. So, Ladakh has a great diversity of birds. Here, a total of about 225 species which have been found there. Some bird species which are found here are robins, redstart, rowan, hoopoe, etc. But the one of the rarest bird in the world, it is the black-necked crane. It is mostly seen here, and most of these birds are migratory birds. So these birds migrate from the warmer part to spend the summer in the Ladakh. So this is all about the story of Ladakh regarding flora and fauna. So let's move further that what are the occupation in the Ladakh. So in summer season the people are busy in cultivating barley, potatoes, beans, etc. And in winter months they are so much harsh. The people keep themselves engaged in festivals and the ceremonies celebrations. So the women are very hard working in Ladakh. They work not only in the house and fields, but they also manage small business and shop in Ladakh. Why? For satisfying their basic needs. So these are the history regarding occupation and people of the Ladakh. Next one is this is a picture which shows the dress or a cloth which are people wearing in Ladakh. So they have a different type of trends customs, way of celebrating their festivals. Basically, Ladakh is a favorite tourist destination. Here, people from all over the world come to this place to see the Gompas, glaciers, and passes. Basically, Ladakh offers a plenty of adventure sports like trekking, whitewater rafting, etc. So this is all story about the Ladakh. So class, in this chapter we had studied basically two type of deserts which are having a cold desert and a hot desert. I hope you all are enjoyed in this story regarding life in deserts.